All right, so a lot of people have trouble with spherical objects and light hitting them and not understanding that we would not see what we see in reality being a fully illuminated face of the moon. Let's start with a spherical object, right? And add some light to it. As you add the light to the spherical object, you'll notice there is a dark portion. There's light, shadow, where the light cannot hit, and then the background. There's three separate things. Now, that's a sphere. Again, in reality, you will not see a fully illuminated face. Now let's see a light source on the same type of wall, same background. Wow, fully illuminated looks very, very familiar, doesn't it? Now let's look into reality, what we see, which is the moon. Which one of these, let's keep it elementary. Which one of these is not like the other, okay? Very simple. And I know, well, this is just, it doesn't even make sense, what about during the day? Let's do daytime. Would be nighttime, right? Let's do daytime. Another great example. Man, holding up a sphere with light in the daylight, right? You see how you can see the unilluminated? It's not translucent. I can't see through the ball now. We have photographs of a crescent moon in the day with stars in the translucent aspect or the dark side of the moon. Again, what we're seeing, where is the moon? There's no unlit side. This is translucent. This is not translucent. It's just darker. It's shaded. A shadow is on it. This is not. This is translucent. Now, if you were to do infrared photography, anything like that, there's nothing there. So it doesn't, hot, cold, etc. You can't find it, but because it's its own light source, not a rock ball in the sky reflecting sun. Now, a guy I know that runs a channel on Telegram called The Flatastic Planet came across a type of photography called embossed photography, which can be achieved through a computer graphics technique or a printing method. This technique replaces each pixel in an image with a highlight or shadow based on the original image's light and dark boundaries. The resulting image resembles a paper or metal embossing. We didn't stop there. He took some very interesting photos. Yeah, he captured a crescent moon at night and then proceeded to emboss it. And this is what he got, okay? Now again, as we just read, it will show light and dark, right? The light and shadow boundaries, it doesn't matter. It will show, so if there was dark or shadow, it would still be there. So again, as we're learning with regular photography, infrared, thermal, embossed photography, it doesn't matter what it is. There's no rock reflecting sunlight at all.